How many of you here have actually been to a pottery class? Just think about it and don't forget to leave it in the comment section as well. But the reason why I'm asking this is, as per Vastu, even pots have a very, very important part to play as per Vastu, especially when it comes to a remedy bit. The reason why I'm saying this is, when we understand pottery or making pots in a more deeper manner, in a more layman's term, pots or making of pots require a certain amount of precision and a kind of skill which is very, very important to build, right? And when we talk about this skill, and when you want to own your skills and build more and make yourself more professional and more I think creative, and also at the same time more to the point kind of an output, it's very important for us to build and also improve ourselves. So to make sure the energies flow through easily into your space to help you build these skills in any field that you are, place a pot maker's photograph in your southwest zone of your space, because here, when you talk about southwest deals with relationship and skills. And when we talk about skill building, playing around with the zone that is related to skills can help you get better attributes positively when worked remedies positively. So that is why placing this particular photo frame at least 6 feet from the ground level on a clean surface, making sure firstly the entire area is first free of any defects. And you must place or hang this photo frame at least 6 feet from the ground level. Once you go about doing this, make sure that you do not pray to this particular photo frame, or you do not perform any rituals, because this is something that acts as a remedy and only require, or only is meant to keep it in this particular zone hung on the wall. Nothing else has to be done. So to incorporate this, stand in the center of your stand in the center of your space, locate your southwest zone, and then go about hanging this on your particular wall, and you will be able to see or reap benefits just within few weeks to a couple of months. Again, this depends case to case basis, but yes, this is something that you can definitely work through in a very minimal budget.